So this past week, my travel buddy is Frosty. I bring him to work because I have to hand feed him, and today he's here in my truck right now. So let's see. Here's Frosty. This morning he's feeling better. His head is not twisted and he's up right now. I bring his water, one egg, and there is food already ready, and that Tupperware with paper towel, I use that to support his head when it's twisted down to the ground, so it's not too down. It helps him in his head. So now he's good. It's good progress today. All right guys, thank you for watching.